I'm starting my own Shopify store, and I am making it my mission to grow the store 100% on my own without buying a course. Let's see how I do. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Crystalline, and on this page we are all about manifesting our dreams. So my dream is to become a full-time content creator, but now I'm suddenly on the verge of wanting to become an entrepreneur as well, and I've decided to open up my very own Shopify store. It all started with TikTok once I got accepted into creating a TikTok seller account, and all of a sudden I was just like, I want to have a Shopify store, so that's what I'm gonna do. I got down to work right away. I went on my favorite educator, YouTube, and I searched up so many videos on Shopify, creating a store, everything I need to know, and I found so many videos that have been so helpful in this journey. So I originally started out with just having a TikTok seller account. Now the issue is with a TikTok seller account, there are certain things that you cannot sell, which was really annoying me because there were things that I really wanted to sell, but TikTok wasn't letting me add it to my store simply because I did not have the qualifications. Like there was a microphone that I wanted to sell, and there was something else. I think it was a face washer that I wanted to sell, and TikTok was not letting me add it to my store because of qualifications. So I gave up on that, and I was like, I'm gonna start a Shopify store. And here we are today, my Shopify store. After putting a lot of thought into it, I realized that I didn't want to just sell generic things. I wanted to sell something that was going to be a little more personal to me, and that would be a beauty box. Now, hear me out. I am a huge makeup girly. When I had my first YouTube channel, the very first one that I had ever, it was all built on beauty. I built my Instagram during COVID all on beauty, and I feel like a beauty box really just describes who I am as a person. But it's not just going to be any beauty box, it's going to be a mystery beauty box, and I'm so excited. I will be documenting the journey of everything from creating the beauty box to putting it up on both my TikTok and my Shopify. It'll be a linked account, and I'm only going to start with 2 boxes. They are going to be small mystery beauty boxes, and I'm so excited about it. I've been taking polls asking people what they would want to see. So if you happen to come across this video, what is something you would want to see if you were expecting a mystery beauty box? Also, would you buy a mystery beauty box? I'm truly so excited about this project because I really do have a passion for the girlier things in life, and being able to curate my own beauty box is just so exciting. So the beauty boxes will come equipped with tons of different beauty essentials, such as makeup sponges, mask, possibly makeup brushes, lip mask, face mask. I'm making a list of all the things that could possibly go into the box. I haven't decided how many items are going to go in the box yet, but I'm super excited. I'm literally working on everything. So far I have the boxes that I want picked out. I also have the organza bags that I want picked out, and I have the filler that I want picked out. So I'm so excited about this project because this is actually something I'm putting like my heart and soul into. So I'm so happy about it. So before my mom passed away, I actually spoke to her about wanting to open my own Shopify store, and she thought it was an amazing idea and it would be a great little side hustle. So for me to actually be putting this plan into work, it's such an exciting feeling because I'm literally putting my heart and soul into this. And I'm just hoping that the beauty boxes do well and that more people will want them, and then I can actually just make a business out of it. I am doing this 100% on my own. There's going to be a lot of error. There's going to be a lot of mistakes, which is the same thing as errors. There's going to be a lot of failures. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be perfect the first time around, and I'm excited. I really am, because it's only going to get better. The first few, it's going to be tough, but it's only going to get better. I am going to start with just 2 boxes, and I plan to have them up either the week of the 18th or the week of the 25th. It would be a really cute Black Friday thing if I have them up the week of the 25th. And they will be for sale on my TikTok and Shopify because it'll be linked. I'm going to have 2 boxes, as I said, and it's exciting. The boxes are going to probably go for about $25. That is going to be the starting price. If the boxes do well, I will curate other boxes, different sizes, different types, because I already have ideas. I already know what I want to do. I'm so excited. And I am doing this all on my own. I looked into getting courses on how to run a Shopify store, and it's so much money. And the thing is, like, people will start talking to you, but once they hear that like you don't have money to invest in the course, it's like you don't hear from them ever again. And it's just like, no, we're not doing that. So I'm gonna do this on my own because YouTube has tons of free education, and I'm just excited. So I hope you guys stick around for this journey and that you hopefully buy a box. Like the boxers are not going to be the only thing on the website. There will be other things as well, but I hope that you guys stick around for this journey and that you support me on this journey and you subscribe to the channel, and then you can support my other dream as well of becoming a full-time content creator. Teamwork makes the dream work, baby. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy curating.